Have you ever wondered what information you can extract from an IP address? In this video, we will dive into a Django project that utilizes external API to extract detailed information about any given IP address, from location data to ISP detail. We'll cover it all. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into the fascinating world of IP addresses and exploring how we can extract detailed information using Django and external APIs. Our project revolves around a Django web application that allows users to input an IP address and retrieves a various details associated with this. We have incorporated a simple yet powerful interface to facilitate this process. One of the key functionality of our project is retrieving location data from the provided IP address. We achieve this by leveraging the IPInfo.io API, which provides a comprehensive location information based on the IP address. But why to stop there? We have gonna to extract a mile by integrating additional APIs like IPAPI.com to fetch even more details. This includes information such as internet service provider and autonomous system number, proxy status, and hostname associated with IP address. Let's dive into a live demonstration of application. We will input an IP address and witness the magic unfold as our application retrieves and display the plethora of information, ranging from the geographical coordinate to network related details. And there you have it. Our project offers a convenient and insightful way to explore the depth of IP address detail. Whether you are a network enthusiast and security analyst or simply curious about the digital world around us, this project has something for you, for everyone. Thank you for joining us today as we embark on this journey into the realm of IP address exploration. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting projects and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.